Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use the EveryDollar budget app. First, download the EveryDollar app from your preferred app store, then create an account or login. Next, link your bank account securely to enable automatic transaction tracking. This initial setup is crucial for a smooth budgeting experience, helping you see all your financial activity in one place. Once set up, it's time to build your budget. Start by categorizing all your income and expenses. Then, allocate specific dollar amounts to each category, ensuring your planned spending equals your income. Remember, your budget is a living document, so feel free to adjust it as your financial situation evolves during the month. Daily tracking is key to success. For cash purchases, manually add them to the appropriate budget category. For linked accounts, simply drag and drop transactions to their correct spots. Regularly check your remaining budget in each category to ensure you're not overspending and to make informed financial decisions throughout the month. Beyond the basics, EveryDollar offers powerful features. Use planned spending for future expenses like a $500 car repair or a $1,000 vacation. Create savings funds for specific goals like a down payment. At month's end, review your spending to understand your habits, celebrate successes, and refine your budget for the next period.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.